individual investors are back to being bullish on stocks this month, now more confident than they've been all year.
I think we're in a new bull market, Frank.
We are thinking it's a new bull market, honestly.
I mean, it's been a confirmed real bull market.
The 2023 recession has been a severe blow to the global economy, especially the American economy. But history has shown us that after a recession comes recovery, which is why a bull market is believed to be imminent in the coming months. This presents a great opportunity to multiply your wealth. That's why we will now look at the current market situation, predictions for the year 2024, and a step-by-step guide on how you can take advantage of this to multiply your wealth next year. Before I get into the details, please like and subscribe to this channel if you'd like to stay up to date on topics like this. Now, to fully understand how you can generate wealth by leveraging the recession, you first need to understand what the bull market is. We refer to a bull market when we see an upward trend in asset prices. This usually occurs in a favorable economic context, meaning when employment and activity are high, and the overall economy is solid. But you might wonder, why do we say there will be a bull market next year considering the current crisis? Well, this is due to three main reasons. The first reason is that the stock market is recovering. As one of the largest and most prestigious index funds in the United States, the S&P 500 has shown significant signs of recovery, continuously rising since the beginning of 2023, indicating a gradual stock market recovery. The second reason is the so-called Bitcoin halving. This event occurs every 4 years when the number of mined Bitcoins is halved, resulting in a more limited supply of this cryptocurrency and causing its prices to surge. The last halving took place in May 2020, and afterward the price of this cryptocurrency skyrocketed. The next Bitcoin halving is expected to occur during the second quarter of 2024, potentially leading to a similar price surge. The third reason is an increase in the employment rate. Throughout 2023, there has been a progressive and consistent rise in the employment rate in the United States, with over 339,000 new jobs created by the end of May 2023, representing a significant 3.7% increase and surpassing even the predictions of the most optimistic economists. Now, with the stock market on the rise, cryptocurrencies gaining momentum, and a significant increase in employment, there is no doubt that the worst part of the crisis is behind us. And in the coming months we will likely see a general economic recovery, which will probably result in a bull market during the year 2024. Moreover, experts predict that by 2024, the Federal Reserve will stop raising interest rates, as this has been a determining factor in the crisis we have experienced, especially in the housing and real estate markets. While the government implemented this measure to control the inflation that surged during 2019 and 2020 due to pandemic-related bond extensions, it has affected the country and the entire world. Several experts assert that if the Fed continues to increase interest rates, it could lead to a global crisis, exacerbating the current situation. Consequently, the government may opt for more affordable interest rates, providing some relief to the real estate market. Now, in terms of how you can take advantage of this for your benefit and multiply your money, we need to consider 5 important factors that will be crucial for making money next year. Number 1. Stocks. As mentioned before, during a recession, stocks and all assets tend to lose value, making stocks much cheaper. As we can see from the graph during the health crisis that took place in early 2020, the S&P 500 stocks plummeted and then gradually started to rise. For example, if you had bought stocks of this indexed fund right at the lowest point of the pandemic crisis, you would have doubled your investment. Number 2. Cryptocurrencies. Undoubtedly, cryptocurrencies have seen tremendous growth since 2017. For example, Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency in the world, has multiplied its value by 15 times as of today, making it the cryptocurrency with the best performance in history. Another important factor concerning Bitcoin is the Bitcoin halving, which will cause its price to rise due to a reduced supply of this cryptocurrency. Some experts even claim that a Bitcoin could reach $1 million in the next few years, which could present an unrepeatable investment opportunity. Number 3. Real estate. Real estate has been and will always be the asset that offers the best and safest returns, as house prices have been rising consistently since 1980. Even the United States government has announced that they predict the housing market to hit rock bottom by the end of 2023 and start rising and recovering to pre-pandemic levels by 2024. Therefore, if you have the money to invest in real estate, it is one of the best long-term investments you can make to multiply your money. Number 4. Entrepreneurship. During a crisis, many jobs are lost, and many companies go bankrupt, even for large banks in the United States that were handling a lot of capital. For example, financial entities like Silicon Valley and Signature Bank, considered among the 100 largest banks in the country, went bankrupt. This led to the bankruptcy of many small businesses and leaves room for new companies with fresh and innovative ideas to emerge. So, if you are willing to take a bit more risk, starting a business could be another way to make money in the coming year. And finally, number 5, holding cash. In an increasingly digital world, tangible things will become valuable in the future. Several experts and businessmen claim that cash will become an asset that appreciates over time. Because although due to inflation in recent decades has made our bills worth less, with the implementation of cryptocurrencies and the government's new banking system FedNow, cash will become valuable for 2 main reasons. Firstly, cash cannot be traced, and secondly, if you pay with cash, you can avoid taxes. In fact, many investors now hold large amounts of cash, which may reinforce this cash theory. Now, to invest in anything, you first need a significant sum of money, since currently about 70% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, meaning they do not save or invest their money. You might think this is because they have low salaries, but the truth is that the average American spends about $18,000 per year on unnecessary items. Therefore, with small changes in our consumption habits, we can save money and then invest it to multiply our wealth. But what do you think? Do you believe that 2024 will be a year of economic recovery? And what do you consider the best investment for the upcoming year? Let me know your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this type of content. See you next time.